Imagine this. A student submits an essay. It's perfect, almost too perfect. So the teacher runs it through an AI detector and boom, it's flagged for cheating. But here's the twist. That student, she wrote it completely on her own. AI is hacking education, but is it helping students learn or is it making it easier for students to cheat? The truth? It's not what you think. And what no one's talking about is what really happens when schools try to ban AI. This video kicks off my AI in Education series where we're breaking down the biggest questions about AI, cheating, and learning. From AI-proof assessments to whether schools should be teaching AI instead of banning it. We're covering it all. So if you're ready to separate hype from reality, let's dive in. Schools are banning it, professors scrambling, students already 5 steps ahead. So is AI actually causing more cheating? Or are we just freaking out over a new technology? Remember when calculators first hit the classrooms? Total panic. Teachers thought they'd destroy math skills. Now they're required, and I have to buy a $300 calculator for my daughter's grade 12 math class. AI is going through the same cycle, but this time it's not just a tool. Some argue that it's doing the thinking for students, which crosses the line. But here's the biggest issue. No one can even agree on what counts as cheating anymore. Is using AI to brainstorm cheating? Is paraphrasing AI-generated text? See what I mean? It's a gray area. My daughter used ChatGPT to outline the structure for her world government essay, but she wrote the whole thing word for word by herself. Her teacher threw it into an AI detector and called it plagiarism. Another student tweaked ChatGPT's response and no one questioned it. So where's the line? You might think AI is making it easier to copy homework. But here's the real shocker. It's actually making cheating almost impossible to catch. Plagiarism detectors? Useless. AI generates unique content every single time. AI detectors? Worse. Studies show that AI detectors only detect AI-written content 33 to 81% of the time, which is basically a coin flip. Even worse, these tools are biased, flagging non-native English speakers and students who think differently more than others. So if detection isn't working, what do? Just ban AI and hope for the best? Well, some schools are trying. Because yeah, banning tech always works, right? Flashback to early 2000s when schools tried banning Wikipedia, said it wasn't real research. Guess what happened? Students just cited the sources Wikipedia listed and used it anyway. Fast forward to today, and schools teach Wikipedia as a research tool. Here's an interesting fact. 51% of students admit they'll keep using AI even if schools prohibit it. And let's be real, the number's probably much larger. Banning AI doesn't teach students how to use it responsibly. It just pushes them to hide it. And here's the big one. AI isn't going anywhere. Think about it. Jobs in the real world will expect students to know how to use AI properly. So shouldn't schools be teaching that instead of pretending it doesn't exist? Remember how I said schools banned Wikipedia? The ones that adapted ended up creating better researchers, not just rule followers. And AI could be the same. I'm happy to say some schools are already ahead, teaching students how to cite AI and use it as a study aid instead of a shortcut. Others are rethinking assessments, shifting to oral exams, in-class projects, and critical thinking tasks AI can't do for them. The goal isn't to block AI, it's to balance innovation and integrity. Instead of trying to catch students using AI, maybe we should be teaching them how to use it the right way. Now I want to hear from you. Should schools ban AI or teach students how to use it responsibly? Drop a comment down below. But here's the thing, even if schools don't ban AI, we still have a massive problem. Where do we draw the line between cheating and smart AI use? That's exactly what we're talking about in the next episode. Click here to watch it now.